The Feast of St. Joseph is observed on March 19th. This is an annual celebration in honor of St. Joseph. St. Joseph was the legal guardian of Jesus Christ and was venerated by the Catholic Church as a patron saint of workers. Annual celebration.
Godišnja proslava.
According to Christian beliefs, St. Joseph was a first-century man of Nazareth who married the Virgin Mary after the birth of Jesus Christ. Christian beliefs.
Kršćanska vjerovanja.
The traditional way of celebrating the feast has been to wear red clothing, give food to the needy, and observe fast on this day. In some parts of the world, people have a rather symbolic interpretation of this day.
Nosite crvenu odjeću. Dajte hranu potrebitima.
People attend a mass to listen to some praise in honor of St. Joseph.
Prisustvujte misi.